This tutorial will describe the creation of a three-dimensional potential energy plot. A 3D plot has two independent variables, which could be bond length, bond angle, bond torsion, and so on. In this particular simple example, we're going to have two independent variables, which are the two bond lengths R1 and R2 of the water molecule. So we take each independent variable, select it, and name it. In this case, the first one will be plot 1. The second variable, a distance, will be name that as plot 2. And then we're ready to create a 3D potential energy plot. We just go up and we have to, first of all, I suppose we have to choose the potential that we're going to plot. I think this one is mm plus. But anyway, we have some values of R1 and R2. Plot 1 and plot 2 that we need to fill in here. We can cut out the outliers if we want to. In this case, we'll just go ahead. It varies the two bond lengths and creates a 3D plot for us. If we look at this a little bit more, we can bring up the options for this plot, and again, as before, we can change the titles and so on and so forth, various things. If we want to look at it from on top, this is what it looks like from up above. Bring it down a little bit, moving it around a little bit, like that. We can get a different view of it, so on and so forth. Put it up a little bit. And so that's the plot, and that's a three-dimensional potential energy plot.